Turkey is quietly becoming a major military power, the result of years of deliberate policy. Once a reliable NATO ally dependent on Western technology, Turkey is now building its own weapons and projecting power far beyond its borders. Turkish military technology, especially armed drones, has played decisive roles in conflicts from Syria to Nagorno-Karabakh. These interventions have shifted battle outcomes and regional balances. Turkey is no longer just a regional player. It now influences events thousands of miles away. This assertiveness challenges established powers and introduces new unpredictability to the region. The United States and Europe are struggling to manage a partner that increasingly acts independently. Russia, too, finds itself both cooperating and competing with Turkey. For Middle Eastern powers like Saudi Arabia and Egypt, Turkey's rise is a direct challenge. This transformation is about more than just military hardware. It's about national identity, economic ambition, and Erdogan's political vision. Nationalism and a desire for strategic autonomy drive this shift. Understanding Turkey's military rise means looking at its changing identity and ambitions. The world is dealing with a new Turkey, one that is reshaping the strategic landscape. We'll explore the drivers of this change, its geopolitical consequences, and the risks it poses. The rise of Turkey's military power is a story the world can no longer ignore. Let's examine how Turkey's ambitions are changing the global order. At the heart of Turkey's military resurgence is the Erdogan doctrine, a blend of assertive nationalism, historical nostalgia, and a drive for strategic independence. Erdogan's rhetoric of a strong Turkey and references to Ottoman glory signal a new ambition on the world stage. Years of feeling sidelined by the West and facing arms embargoes have fueled a push for self-reliance. Erdogan argues that Turkey must control its destiny by building its own weapons, a message that resonates deeply. The Blue Homeland Doctrine claims vast maritime zones, challenging Greece and Cyprus and driving naval modernization. Turkey is building new warships and submarines, turning the Eastern Mediterranean into a flashpoint. The Erdogan Doctrine marks a break from Turkey's cautious, westward-looking past. Military force is now an active tool of statecraft. This approach has carved out Turkish spheres of influence in Syria and Libya, but also isolated Ankara from traditional allies. Turkey's new ideology is bold, interventionist, and reshaping its regional role. A critical pillar of Turkey's military rise is its booming indigenous defense industry. 2 decades ago, Turkey imported 80% of its arms. Now over 70% is produced domestically. This shift grants Ankara strategic autonomy and shields it from foreign embargoes. State giants like Aselsan, TAI, and Roketsan, alongside private firms like Baykar, have created a dynamic, innovative ecosystem. Turkey's defense exports have soared, reaching $5.5 billion in 2023 and expanding into the Middle East, Africa, and Central Asia. Exporting weapons builds alliances and influence, making Turkey a key security partner for many nations. Operationally, Turkish forces now rely on homegrown smart bombs, vehicles, and advanced naval platforms. The Milgem project and long-range missiles further enhance Turkey's capabilities. Turkey is now among the few nations able to design, build, and deploy a full spectrum of modern military systems. This industrial transformation is the backbone of Turkey's new military independence. Turkey's mastery of drone warfare has redefined modern conflict. The Bayraktar TB2 drone, effective and affordable, changed the course of wars in Syria, Libya, and Nagorno-Karabakh. Drones have become a major instrument of Turkish foreign policy, boosting allies like Ukraine and Azerbaijan and complicating relations with Russia. The TB2's success has made it Turkey's most influential military export. Turkey is already developing next-generation drones like the Akinci and the Kızılelma unmanned fighter jet, as well as unmanned naval and ground vehicles. This comprehensive approach keeps Turkey at the forefront of military technology. However, the proliferation of Turkish drones lowers the threshold for conflict and risks fueling regional arms races. As more countries acquire these systems, the risk of proxy wars and instability grows. The drone revolution is a double-edged sword, empowering Turkey, but also making the world more volatile. The full consequences of Turkey's drone dominance are only beginning to unfold. Turkey's military power has dramatically altered the Middle East and Eastern Mediterranean. In Syria, Turkey's interventions have created a security zone and put it at odds with both Russia and the US. In Libya, Turkish drones and advisors saved the GNA, securing Ankara a foothold and challenging rival Arab states. The Blue Homeland Doctrine drives Turkish naval operations in contested waters, bringing Turkey and Greece to the brink of conflict. Regional players like France, Egypt, and Israel have responded with joint military exercises against Turkey's ambitions. Turkey has also established bases in Qatar and Somalia, projecting power from the Balkans to the Horn of Africa. These bases are platforms for training, intelligence, and intervention, cementing Turkey's status as a major regional power. Turkey's reach now spans continents, reshaping alliances and rivalries. Turkey's assertiveness has created deep strains within NATO. The 2017 purchase of Russia's S-400 air defense system was a major breach, leading to Turkey's expulsion from the F-35 program and US sanctions. Turkey's pragmatic relationship with Russia and unilateral military actions in Syria and the Mediterranean have fueled mistrust among allies. Ankara's interventions against the Kurdish YPG, a key US partner, and its standoffs with Greece have tested NATO solidarity. Turkey has also used its veto power for political leverage, blocking Sweden and Finland's accession until its demands were met. Despite disagreements, Turkey's strategic location and military strength make it indispensable to NATO. The alliance now faces a complex balancing act with a powerful, independent-minded member. The relationship is no longer hierarchical, but a negotiation. Turkey's power is both a strength and a source of instability for NATO. Managing Turkey's ambitions is now one of NATO's greatest challenges. 10. Turkey's military rise has complicated its relationship with Russia. The Black Sea is now a zone of direct competition, with Turkey controlling access and supporting Ukraine with drones. In Syria and Libya, Turkey and Russia back opposing sides but coordinate to avoid direct conflict. Turkey is expanding influence in Central Asia, leveraging cultural ties and selling arms to Turkic states, challenging Russia's traditional dominance. Joint military exercises and arms sales are key to Turkey's strategy. This compartmentalized relationship is inherently unstable. Cooperation and rivalry coexist. As Turkey's confidence grows, so does the risk of miscalculation and escalation, especially in the Black Sea or Caucasus. Turkey's rise introduces new volatility into Russia's neighborhood. The balance between partnership and rivalry with Russia is increasingly precarious. Turkey's military expansion carries real risks. Engaged on multiple fronts, Turkey faces economic strain and the danger of strategic overreach. High inflation and currency woes could make its foreign policy unsustainable, risking domestic instability. Assertive actions, especially against Greece, could spark unintended conflict between NATO allies. The balancing act with Russia in Syria and elsewhere is fraught with the risk of escalation. Turkey's reliance on drones and proxy forces could destabilize regions if these tools fall into the wrong hands. The use of mercenaries raises questions about accountability and the laws of war. Centralized decision-making under Erdogan increases the risk of unpredictable or reckless moves. Nationalist fervor and domestic politics could trigger aggressive responses abroad. Turkey's military power is potent, but its unchecked use could create new dangers for the region and beyond. Turkey has transformed into a formidable military power with global reach. Its rise is the result of a deliberate strategy, combining a strong defense industry, drone mastery, and political will. Turkey is now a kingmaker in regional conflicts and a complicated partner for both NATO and Russia. This signals a new era of influential middle powers acting independently, making the world more multipolar and more unpredictable. But this power comes with risks, overreach, miscalculation, and instability. Turkey's assertive policies have created new flashpoints and strained alliances. The world must now grapple with a Turkey that is powerful, unpredictable, and impossible to ignore. The untold truth of Turkey's rise is that its military power is both a force for change and a source of new uncertainty.